Hey everybody, Mike Vacchi, Princeton Trader, Midday Update. Okay, what a day. We talked this morning in the webcast about compression leading to expansion. Here's your expansion. We shorted right off the open against 80. We got 77s. I mean, that was all she wrote there. We did a short, about 140, 145 against the 47 area. That got us down to 27. So we shorted it here. In between, we had this is a 5-minute chart. We had our lower level at 62 quarter create a bias. So bias, retest, and then a failure. So we did an aggressive short there against 62 quarter. We did a couple longs in between here, and we did a little bit. But, another fantastic day in the room. It's a day that's pushing, 40 handles or so to go with 20 yesterday and 40 the day before. So the tape is good. And, I mean, that's what you get when you have this compression and you get a true sell rallies on the conversion of the daily mid band. So here's the big move down, right? But it all started here. You had an inability to get back through 47. You had 44.75 here. We talk through this every morning on the webcast. Here, the daily mid band. So now daily mid band, lower band, and now we're in a lower band ride that's accelerating. It converted the 50-day exponential moving average, and it's accelerated right down to the 100-day exponential moving average. Down in the 2838 area. Okay, so another solid 10 handles below. So really nice day to trade. Great day in the room, and it's been a really good tape. So fortunately, a lot of new people have been popping in the last few days to go with a lot of people coming back. I tell you guys every day, you trade this stuff, come see us. I think you'll like what you find. We would love to meet you. A lot of good people in there. For the rest of the day, we've got to see. You have S3, okay? You have S3 on the 5-minute chart here at 36.33. We trade as low as 28.27. It's a 5-minute chart, okay? You can see they've made a move up into the 35 area. That move has gone back down. They're trying to create a lower low. If S3 here seals off, okay? The AD is negative 333. That's we're bearish, and we're certainly trend down. We've been down since they rang that bell. If that's the case, and they can continue to progress, we're down 2% right now. As long as we close below 58.5, this 70-something day streak of no 1% or better, -1 or +1 closes is going to be broken. So look, bears have a good chance of doing it. All they have to do is keep this within 30 handles. I've seen stranger, but for now, we're short against 47 and enjoying the afternoon. All right, everybody. I'll be back with a wrap-up tonight. Take care. Trade 'em well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade 'em well.